Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka thriftfish, and I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And today, as I said in my last video, I am bringing you a donation haul. This is a bunch of items that were donated to me. I put a message out on the app NextDoor, and I actually had somebody who saw the ad, but then looked me up, found me on Instagram, and messaged me there. So she's in the area and she boxed a bunch of stuff up for me. I picked it up a couple days ago and let things sit for a little bit, and now I'm going to show you what I got. So it was a ton of stuff, and I'm going to show you the process of going through it all. And honestly, a lot of the stuff that I didn't end up keeping is just stuff that was a little too worn or just really old, like basic Old Navy t-shirts. There's so much good stuff in here, and the stuff that I'm not going to show you today, that stuff, but also there's a bunch of stuff that I'm going to put into like lots or bundles or reseller boxes, so I have to go through that stuff. It's a lot of Loft and Ann Taylor, some Old Navy, some H&M, so just some things that I want to kind of combine and sell in a lot rather than individually. But the things I'm going to show you are probably the things that I plan to sell individually in my Poshmark closet, on my eBay store, Mercari, etc. So here we go. This might be a little long. Okay, so first off, this is just a little one, but this is just a little Victoria's Secret bralette. All this stuff is going to get washed, dried, and then listed. So it's just a small. I'm not sure where to put the stuff when I'm done showing it to you. I didn't plan that part out. Okay, I figured it out. Next is this really cute mod cloth, size extra small, just a little sleeveless popover, like a little chambray sleeveless popover. Next is, this is just cotton plus, but I just like the look of it. Style. Next we have a fossil bag. There are just a couple bags thrown in here, but they're really good. So a nice leather fossil bag. Beautiful. This is just the most incredible part of this haul, I think. Oh, there's a couple incredible things, but there's so many barely worn pairs of Madewell jeans that are fairly current. They are smaller sizes, usually a 24, but I literally cannot complain. There's no room for it. This was donated to me. This is the best donation that I've gotten so far. Thank you. If you are watching this video, for donating the stuff, it's going to be amazing. Here's another pair of Madewell jeans, size 24. This is the Cali Demi boot, which I have sold before. This release hem. I don't know anything about this brand, but I do plan on selling this dress because it's gorgeous. This is April Cornell, and this just feels so very perfect, like in right now. It's prairie-esque, really dreamy floral, so pretty. Here is a pair of green Hudson Nico skinny jeans, which look, you know, fairly new. Are these 24? These are size 26. I just thought this was a cool sweatshirt. I think somebody will buy this Cornell sweatshirt. Let me know if you're interested in anything in this haul. I'm happy to work out a deal with you. I can always put my email in the description below, or you can reach out to me here or via Instagram. All the stuff will be listed in my Poshmark closet. If you want to wait until it's listed, I'm always open to offers, especially if you let me know that you came from YouTube. Speaking of, if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching all my videos, or at least some of them. If you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you click subscribe. I really am looking forward to building a community here and having you all be a part of it. You know, if you're interested in reseller content, selling things online, thrifting, etc. Yeah, that's all. That's just a little quick, you know, if you like my videos, that's amazing. Thank you so much. If you click the bell, that's like, but you can click the bell if you want to. Anyway, segue. We the free, so free people. Oh, stop. Focus. There we go. Size 25, just a pair of raw hem skinny jeans. I just like flannel sometimes as a wool-rich size small flannel. This is a high 5 size small dress. I could be mistaken, but I think this might be sold at Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, but it's just a crushed velvet little like t-shirt dress. This is a pair of H&M jeans, but they are a cute style, so I can hopefully flip those pretty quick for a moderate price. Oh gosh, okay, I'm losing it. I sell Uniqlo very rarely, usually if I get an item for free, because it just doesn't retail or resell for very much, but their stuff is just so cute. So, and it does sell pretty fast if you price it right. So this is just a really nice little green Uniqlo skirt. I couldn't find a size. I was struggling on that. Extra small. This, I could not believe it. I mean, looking at this, you're like, okay, this could be any leather brand, any leather bag brand, but no, it's Coach, and it's in excellent condition. This is definitely one of my favorite pieces from this haul. Again, here's a pair of Madewell jeans. These are the 9-inch high-riser skinny, size 24. This is a wrap dress from Ann Taylor. I'm super into selling wrap dresses right now. I just think that they are in high demand. This is just a 0 petite. It's not wrapped, so you can't really see, but it's pretty. I don't sell a whole lot of Ann Taylor, but again, I can make exceptions for beautiful free things. I might just try to sell this locally because it's a local thing, but if any of you want this, let me know. I might put it up on my Instagram and see if anybody wants it there first. It's just a Baltimore Orioles like crew neck, lightweight crew neck. This is a Talbot's Petites sweater, but it's merino wool, and I like to sell merino wool. It's not necessarily the season for it, but I don't care. I need to look this up. This is ATL Studio, size extra small, V-neck, little pullover sweater. It just looks nice. Oh yeah, and it's made out of merino wool and cashmere, so I figured it can't be that bad. A very pretty, I don't know this brand, this is C&E, but I think it's a very pretty dress. Such a fun pattern. What's up? Anyway, here's just a Philosophy size extra small chenille sweater. I didn't even take the time to figure out what this is. Okay, so this is a Uniqlo like wrap top, but obviously I didn't wrap it. I just assumed it was a wrap top and said, yes, I will sell that. Again, wrap tops, wrap dresses, I'm into it. This is just H&M, but it's a cozy long cardigan, and I think those are always in demand, or at least I'm always looking for them. I have no idea. This might just be like an Instagram boutique, but there is a little cute bikini here. There's no brand, but it's really pretty, so I'm going to sell it nonetheless. This blew me out of the water. Hold on, let me get them right. This is a pair of New With Tags, pair of like a Spanx thong, I guess. It is a size small. This is Loft, but I am not gonna hesitate to sell these super cute shorts. That's all I have for that. This is a pair of Mondetta size extra small workout leggings with kind of like a moto detail. Again, I don't expect to get much return from this, but that's okay. Again, lower price item, but how cute is this loft blouse? Size extra small. If they stand out to me, they are individual sales. Okay, this transitions me into the men's clothing. I picked out a couple men's things. There weren't as many men's items, but this is a pair of Gap khakis, slim khakis, like reddish color. When I used to work at the Gap, I used to fold these all the time. Now, this is my fold job right now. Not quite up to standard. Here is a J. Crew 100% linen work shirt. It's really wrinkly, but it looks okay. It'll get washed and steamed. There are a couple pair of novelty socks. This is my favorite pair. My boyfriend might be keeping them. There's another pair of Hey Arnold socks. There's just like cute novelty socks for dudes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, but I thought they were fun. And the last men's item is this big red Woolrich heavy like overshirt. This is a size large. Okay, I have 3 pairs of shoes for you. 3. First is this pair of Ralph Lauren, leather loafers. They do definitely have some wear and some like water spots on them, but I'm gonna hit them with a little Wonder Balsam and just notate any flaws in the listing, but I still think that they're somewhat desirable. This is a pair of, let me see if this is real. I think these are real leather. Mariella little crisscross leather sandals. Very cute. And my favorite, this is the first thing I pulled out of the bags. Or the first thing I saw that I was like, pair of Fry slip-on sneakers. Oh my goodness. She could have just given me these and I would have been happy. But I am extremely excited. This is what I got from my donated inventory haul from somebody local. I am going to be very busy listing all this stuff and I will not need inventory for a little bit, so that is fantastic. Let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comments. If you like this video, like I said, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, turn on the bell. But thank you so much for being here and I will see you again real soon.